Okay, guys, we are 2 million in the building. Thank you, all 2 million. Where am I resting? It's a lot of mosquito back there. Oh, plane coming from the airport. Thanks for coming in, guys. Appreciate you all. Whew. A lot of mosquito down that side, guys. Gotta get them away. Cut out the bushes, let they go. Yeah. While I'm at it, guys, gotta hydrate the body. Cheers. Gotta hydrate the body with some water, guys. Cheers. Whew. Thanks for coming in, guys. So you see the difference? Lots of different. Clean to the bone. Yeah. So I just have that side, guys. So I'm just gonna brush off that side and that's it. Yeah. Thunder rolling as if rain is gonna fall. Yummy water. Refreshing. So I clean up my plants, guys. Clean up my flowers. Yeah. Flowers look healthy. My aloe vera not looking too bad. Yeah. That's it. That is it. Yeah. Keep coming, guys. Keep coming. Keep coming. Let me see. Ah, my plants, yes, that's my plant there. My plants are not looking bad, guys. That's my plant there on the ground. They are not looking bad at all. Beautiful, beautiful. They're freshen up. Yeah, they're freshen up. Yeah, that's my plants. Looking bright. Yeah, there they are. Looking bright. That's them there. There they are. Yeah, looking bright. So bright.